Hi, my name is Sarah Kennell. I am Director of Government Relations with Action Canada for Sexual Health and Rights, an organization that works globally and domestically to advance sexual and reproductive rights in Canada and around the world. When we found out that Canada was going to be reviewed for the third time by the Universal Periodic Review in May 2018, we initiated a conversation with the Sexual Rights Initiative and the Canadian Alliance for Sex Work Law Reform in Canada to collaborate on the development of a statement or a submission that would ultimately be submitted to the UN in advance of Canada's review. So we started to work on the identification of priorities and pull together the content for that report. So the three issues that we identified were securing greater access to safe abortion care for people in Canada, strengthening the delivery of comprehensive sexuality education for all young people in Canada, and the decriminalization of sex work in Canada. So those were the three issues that we focused our content for the report around and identified priorities for. We managed to secure one recommendation that actually covered two out of the three issues that we identified. The recommendation was delivered by Norway, and it calls for actions to be taken by government to increase access to safe abortion care and strengthen the delivery of comprehensive sexuality education. So now that we have those recommendations in hand and we know that they've been accepted by Canada, we're going to go home and take them forward with government to ensure that they develop a robust implementation plan over the next 4 years, so that come Canada's fourth review by the UPR, we'll be able to say if we've made progress or not. So it's really critical to have the recommendations for the advocacy that we do at the federal level in Canada, but also with our allied civil society organizations, to know that they have that backing when they're doing their own advocacy locally and provincially and territorially in Canada.